All right, let's see, we're on the record. Ms. Hummel, you want to call the case?
2016
That's gonna go away in about 30 seconds, right?
Oh, hold on, I couldn't hear you, someone else was talking. Kind of loud there. All right, there we go, go ahead.
Case 2016-054379 DM Jessica Wiley versus Joseph Atwood.
All right, both parties are here via Zoom. Mr. Atwood from the jail. Folks, I'm the referee of the court assigned to handle these matters. At the conclusion of this hearing, I'll make a recommendation that'll become a court order. Sir, you have the right to have an attorney represent you. If you wish, you could hire one, or I could appoint one for you, or you can proceed without and represent yourself. Do you know what you'd like to do?
We can proceed.
All right, Ms. Hummel, do you have an update in the matter?
Mr. Atwood's ordered to pay $291 child support, $20 medical support. He has a balance of $5,926.27. Of that, $4,811.38 is owed to the plaintiff. $445.22 is owed in bench warrant fines. $417.67 is owed to the state of Michigan, and $252 in fees. Last time received a payment was $100 March 24th, 2023, $65.71 February 8th of 2023, $93.12 February 1st, and that same amount January 25th. This is a failure to comply warrant that was issued 4/14/23, 90 days, $500 bond. He did do, we've had 14 show causes, 5 warrants. He did do 90 days, December 31st of 2021 to March 31st of 2022.
All right, and sir, do you agree that you owe the amount stated?
Yes, sir.
All right, you haven't been making payments on a regular and consistent basis in the full amount ordered. Why is that?
I had a job for a minute and I was stupid and quit. I don't know why. I quit. They were taking it right out of my check.
All right. Ms. Hummel, what's the bond?
2,500.
Oh, 25. I thought you said 500. Okay. So, sir, you failed to appear for a show cause back on December 6th. Why didn't you show up for court that day?
I didn't even know I had one. I honestly didn't even know about it.
You didn't know you had a show cause? It would have been sent to your mailing address.
Yeah, I guess my parents never gave it to me.
Oh, did you get the pre-show cause notice about a month earlier?
No.
Did you get the order in the mail about a week later?
No.
Did you get the bench warrant? Did you get the bench warrant in the mail a couple weeks ago or last week?
No.
Nothing.
No, sir.
Wow. Holy cow. What's that, man?
He uses his parents' address and he doesn't live there. That's why.
Yeah. Yeah.
He uses his parents' address in Bitely and he does not live there.
Okay, I heard you. So, sir, why don't you get mail at the place where you live?
I just didn't get a change of address yet.
Because you're not getting it where it's going.
I know.
So, you quit your job. You haven't made a full payment in a few months. What do you want me to do here? 90 days, or you got the 2,500 to pay?
I don't have 2,500.
How much you got?
I got nothing.
Oh.
You still have charges through another court?
I don't think so.
Criminal charges or child support somewhere else?
Through district court, there was to be a sentencing on March 15th of 2023. And I don't have
That was a disorderly conduct thing. They give me fines. They just give me fines to pay.
Okay.
So, where were you working? Were you working at Magna when you quit your job?
Yeah.
Oh, why'd you quit?
I don't know. I just was stupid.
You didn't have any other job you were going to?
No.
Okay. How much do you think you could come up with to post for a bond if you couldn't post the full amount?
A couple hundred maybe.
Oh. Nobody, your parents or friends or nobody, relatives wouldn't get money together to post the 2,500?
I doubt it. We don't have money like that.
All right, ma'am, anything you want to say?
Nope.
All right, well, at this time, Mr. Atwood had the ability to make payments and quit the job that gave him the ability to make payments. There's no
One
reason-
thing,
What's that?
sorry. He did make 2 payments a while back. He sent them directly to me. I don't know if that, I mean, it's not really gonna help anything, but I just wanted to make sure you guys knew about those.
When was that?
Oh, I don't remember.
The last year or before that?
Yeah, it was not in 2023. I want to say November, December-ish.
We talking hundreds and hundreds of dollars, thousands of
No,
dollars?
it was just under 500 total.
Okay. Did you want to credit that to Mr. Atwood's balance? You don't have to, I'm just asking.
There's current
Right.
Medicaid and food assistance.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, I mean, I don't care either way. It's not gonna help either situation, so.
I mean, it won't have a whole lot of bearing on what I do today, but if you want your arrears balance adjusted accordingly, I guess I don't have a problem with that.
Yeah, you can add that to the arrears. That's fine.
Thank you, Jesse.
I would be subtracting it, not adding it.
Well, yeah, whatever you do, that's
Okay.
fine. He did pay that, so
How much exactly?
I think 500 is, it might have been 290 something total, but 500. I mean, 490, sorry.
All right, at this time, like I said, because Mr. Atwood had the ability to make payments, quit his job for some reason, and has not had the ability to make payments by his own doing, the sentence of 90 days would be imposed. I'll subtract $500 from the arrears owed by the defendant to the plaintiff, and I'll subtract that from the bond. So 90 days, $2,000 would be imposed, so you can be released either after 90 days or upon payment of $2,000. If you wish, you can agree to that sentence. If you object to it, you can tell me that, and the matter will be reviewed by the judge in another hearing set. Would you like to accept the sentence, or would you like to object and have a hearing with the judge?
Yeah, I accept.
You accept it?
Yeah,
Okay, very well. We should be all set for today then.
thank you. Jesse?